today's video, my dear viewers, I will give you a in-depth explanation of why are you having varicose veins. And when you have the knowledge about the varicose veins, you will know how you will remove them. Also, at the end of the show, I'm going to give you a couple of perfect natural remedies that will, in the safe and natural way, remove your varicose veins. In today's video, we're going to talk about something that affects millions of people, especially women over age of 40 and 50. Let's explore the main causes of varicose veins and why they can become serious issue for your health. Now, sometimes varicose veins are only cosmetic issue that might not cause any discomfort at all, and you can live a life completely normal. But in many other cases, varicose veins are a sign of deeper circulatory problems that can become painful, dangerous, and difficult to treat. That's why today I want to explain what causes varicose veins, so we can later talk about best natural ways to treat them. To understand varicose veins, we must first understand how veins work. Your veins are blood vessels that return blood from the body back to your heart. They are different from arteries, which carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the body. Inside your veins are small one-way valves. Those valves open to allow blood to move forward to the heart and then close to prevent it flowing backward. But when those valves become weak and damaged, blood starts leaking back into the pool inside the veins. That's what causes the swelling, pressure, and the twisting appearances we recognize as a varicose vein. So those kind of valves does not work properly. Instead, blood go up, the blood coming down. Those valves usually protect from going blood back to your veins, but because they don't work properly, you have, of course, varicose veins. Although any vein can become varicose, the veins in the leg are most commonly affected. Why? Because your legs carry the weight of your entire body, and blood have to travel upward against gravity to return to the heart. If the valves are weak, the blood gets stuck in the lower parts of the body, especially in the legs, and then causes visible bulging veins. So what are the main causes of varicose veins? Let's go through the biggest risk factor. And number one biggest risk factor is going to be genetics. Right now, we are really aware about 50% everyone that have varicose veins, they have genetic factor included, and that is one of the biggest reasons. Second reason why you have varicose vein is, are you overweight or obese? Extra weight puts pressure on your veins and weakens the valve system. Over time, this leads to a blood pooling and the swelling. Third reason is going to be aging. As we get older, our veins lose elasticity and the valves naturally become weaker. This is especially common after age of 50 years old. Fourth reason why you have varicose vein is going to be your poor diet. This is not so difficult in today's modern world because probably 90-95% of food that we eat is really garbage food with a lot of unhealthy chemicals. When you eat them 10-20 years in a row, especially something called sugar in the high amount, especially something called processed food, and food that contain a lot of something called white flour, everything combined, of course, it damages your blood vessels, and you don't take in your body special minerals and vitamins that can help your blood vessels. That is four main reasons: poor diet and chronic deficiency in minerals and vitamins. Fifth recommendation is going to be sitting or standing for the long periods. If your job or lifestyle involves long hours sitting or standing in one place, your veins are under constant pressure. This prevents healthy blood flow and weakens the valves over time. Sixth reason is lack of exercise. Without regular movement, the circulation slows down. Muscles that would normally help push blood through the veins don't get activated. 7 is going to be daily medication. Everyone who takes each day 1, 2, 3, 5, 10 medications, chemical synthetic medication, you really must know that when you take those kind of medications, you take a lot of side effects in your body. A lot of those side effects can affect your blood vessels, my dear viewers. So everyone who suffers from varicose vein, you must read the labels of a medication that you take in each day. Maybe some of them causing your varicose veins. 8 is going to be hormonal changes. This is especially relevant for the women during menopause, when estrogen and progesterone level change. Those hormones play a key role in the vein function. 9th is going to be blood clots and pelvic tumors. Any condition that blocks or compresses the veins in the pelvic area can increase the risk of varicose veins forming below. And 10th, my reasons why you have varicose vein is going to be chronic stress and insomnia. Believe it or not, emotional health plays a huge role in the physical circulation. And so, if you are under a lot of chronic stress, if you have insomnia, your blood vessel won't work properly. Maybe, or a lot of people right now, you have many of those reasons at once, and that's why you have varicose veins. How you can help yourself? If you have any of those risk factors, don't worry, there are natural ways to prevent and treat varicose veins. First, move through the day. Simple walking, leg stretching, and changing position can improve blood flow. Second is going to be improve your diet. Focus on foods rich in vitamin C, bioflavonoids, and antioxidants to strengthen your blood vessels. Now let's talk about natural remedies. My first recommendation is going to be butcher's broom. The first herb I want to mention is called butcher's broom. This plant is excellent for improving blood flow, tightening vein walls, and reducing swelling. Recommended dosage is 200 milligrams 2 to 3 times a daily, and every of those natural remedies that I will mention right now is going to be very easy to buy in a good quality healthy store. Usually you will take one pills, you can use butcher's broom, it's going to be perfect. My second recommendation is going to be horse chestnut. It's an active ingredient called estin, which helps strengthen vein walls and reduce leakiness and the swelling. Recommended daily dosage is 100 to 150 milligrams of estin per day. Most standardized extracts contain 20% estin, so read the labels carefully. This is especially helpful if you suffer from leg cramps, heaviness, and visible varicose veins. My third recommendation is going to be blueberry extract. You probably heard of blueberries are great antioxidants, but you didn't know blueberry extract can improve your microcirculation. It strengthens capillaries, reduces vein fragility, and improves blood vessel tone. Look for standardized extract, not just regular juice or fruit. It works even better when combined with vitamin C or other flavonoid-rich herbs. And my fourth recommendation is going to be perfect ancient plant that is called ginkgo biloba. You can ginkgo biloba also find in the capsules form, usually 60 to 120 milligrams a day is going to be perfect. And this is all my recommendation for today's video. If you want to find out many information about how you can remove varicose vein in a simple and natural way, watch my video right here. Thank you for following me and the viewers. See you in the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.